What is variable? We are already
To,
using variables
to store information.
to store information exactly. So in PHP we already using, but we had not talked about much on the variable part. We just understand that it's holding some values. So you see, variables in PHP are represented by $sign followed by the name of the variable. The variable name is case sensitive. In PHP, the variable names are case sensitive. Like you see here, where is Bob and this where is vcaps. So both are different variables. A valid variable name starts with a letter underscore followed by any number or letters, number or underscore, right? So a valid variable name start with letter or
Underscore.
underscore. So is this a valid variable? Foresight,
Value.
No, sir.
No, no, sir.
this one,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
valid, and this is some different you can say language. So it's valid. Probably someone is writing in their Swedish language or some French, so maybe they are using such variable name, but they are internally using the sky code. So we have to not deal with this one. We have to only deal with the numbers and English characters and underscore. So clear guys about the variable nomenclature?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now, assign by reference, simply prepend an ampersand, right? So here see one variable foo is there and what is written, Bob is assigned, right? Now I am creating another variable bar and giving here $foo ampersand. What is the meaning of this ampersand? Anybody?
If it's variable.
So we are giving a reference of this variable, address of the variable, where address of the location in memory where this is stored. I am giving this address to whom? Bar,
Bar variable.
right? Now I am writing bar equal to means the address holding by foo is now the same address holding by bar.
Bar.
Now I am writing bar equal to my name is $bar. So what will happen? Only this value is going to change or this value is also going to change. So let us see this as an example. I am creating here one variable where one equal to I'm taking value 4. Then I'm creating variable 2 and assigning the address of this variable where one $where one to variable 2. Okay guys, now where 2 equal to hello world. Now if you echo or print where to could you please help me to understand what where to will print? What will the output of where to? Anybody?
Hello world.
Hello world. And where one?
Hello. Foo.
Hello world.
Foo. Foo.
Okay.
Foo, sir.
Foo. So basically both will print same. Hello world, yes. So if I see here where you see hello world and hello world,
Yes, sir.
why it happened?
We are assigning variable address.
Yes. So both the variable 1 and variable 2 have the same address. So if I change the value of variable 2, variable 1 variable also changed, because both are holding same address, same reference. See through the my board. What happened? I have where 1 equal to 4. So whenever we create any variable in memory, one address is allocated for that variable, na? Guys, you know about that?
Yes, sir.
Memory address. Suppose that at 10101, that is the address in the memory, and at this address, what is stored? Foo. Now I am creating variable 2 and writing here address of where 1. It means I have where 1 pointing this address, right? If I am writing ampersand where 1, it means where 2 is also pointing this address.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And it previously the value was foo. And if I change any one of the value, if I change this to hello, so here it also change hello, and this variable 2 will have also the same value hello, because at particular both are pointing to the same address, and at this address values are storing, right? So if you change any one of the value, both will have same value. Clear na this one?
Clear, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, great. So this one is the assigning by reference. Now there are some predefined variables. Till now we are typing our own variable names. Now here, whatever I'm typing, I'm writing my own variables with dollar. Okay, guys. Predefined variables. Predefined varies.php. What it means predefined? Means super global variables, built-in variables that are always available in all scopes. These variables will be available on all the pages every time. PHP is helping to providing these variables, and these are the PHP provided variables. So PHP is keep providing these variables, and if we try to print or so I do not need to declare those variables, if these are those predefined variables. Okay, guys, you see globals. So if you see what is in the globals, if I'm printing predefined what I've used hyphen. You see, for better presentation we have to write formatting, so it comes good to you. You see, this is the global variable and it's holding some values right now, not holding some value, that's why it's displaying some blank. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
similarly, if you see server, what this variable is giving, this predefined variable, you see what it is giving. These variables are defined by PHP. It's giving HTTP host, connection, cache, lots of information are here, path, server signature, server software, Apache, server name, localhost, server address, one, port, this one, remote address, document root, this is the root of this. And if you are working in XAMPP, you will have C:XAMPP htdocs, right? Request. So this variable is this predefined variables is holding this lots of information, right? Then there is a get post. We'll use this get post when you submit the forms, right? We'll also use the files when submit the forms. Request when you submit the forms. Session, when someone is logging, we'll use this one. env, you see what is coming into .-env. Environment. You see, shell, temp directory, command, username, who is the user of this computer, path, password, pwd just slash is there, password is not displaying, home path, and this is the httpd part, this one is showing on, right? You see how the predefined variables are coming. Then there is HTTP response header, HTTP response headers, we'll also use this one. There is argc, the number of argument passed to the script, argv, array of argument passed to the script. These all are known as what? Known as
Predefined variable.
predefined variables. And how a variable look like this, or you can type like this. What is the meaning of this? If I am writing something, $a equal to what is this? Hello. Then $a equal to J. What is the meaning of this? Can anybody tell me? First, guys, what is the meaning of this? No clue? What is the name of this variable?
Dollar.
$A. Now, what is the name of this variable?
Dollar A.
You are speaking $A, but you see what is $A is?
Dollar A is hello.
If I print dollar hello, what this will print?
J.
Why? My variable is not here. $A is nothing, not here.
So dollar A is value is hello and dollar A is J.
Yes. So here you are replacing this character name of the variable. Variable is also itself is a variable, right? Interesting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, where? You see, J printed now.
Yes.
Now, if I write something like this, B or A equal to world. What is the meaning of this? Is it possible or not? I think it's not working. $A hello so basically you have to give this. Now this is hello, then $hello is J, then $J. Is it possible? What this will print?
World.
World, yes. I'm just trying. So you understand now how multiple dollars are working? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Now, you know some global variables like or predefined variables like get and post, right? So while you are learning HTML, you know that you are submitting form and it was not, it was just you were trying to submit and it was not going anywhere, right?
Yes, sir.
So you see one practical example, form.php. So either I can create a file, rename form.html. I'm creating it, I suppose that. Right here I am creating a small form. H1 contact us form method then name equal to name colon input type equal to text name equal to username, right? Just use I submit? Input type equal to submit value equal to submit. So this one will create what this one will create. Form dot HTML, right? Okay, guys. Now I am creating contact us.php, right? And in this form I'm typing action. Action means when I submit this form, where the data should go, right? So I'm writing a contact us.php, and if I'm not giving any method, what happens? What is the default method? Get, right? So I am writing some PHP code here. My request is going to this page, right? Because in action I have given the URL of this page, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, if you are submitting the form through echo get, you can echo the data. How? $_get, and here you should put the name of the field. What is the name of the name? Field is username.
Yes.
So you will get
Yes, sir.
username on the server. If you want to get the email, so basically in the form of array that pass to the server, right? So see, I'm submitting this form. I'm writing here jram@gmail.com, submitting this form. You see where
Yes,
this
sir.
on the contact of PHP I am able to get the data.
Yes, sir.
Right now I'm individually getting the data and by their index. It means this is an array, na? This get is an array.
Array. Yes, sir.
So I can print this array through the print R also. And for better presentation, I am writing echo pre. This will see why I should use the echo pre. Let me show you. So now this, we got the data in the form of what? Array, and from that array one by one I am getting the data, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you are able to send data to the, you see this is some formatted way. So when you submit the form on a PHP file on the server, this way you send the data from form to the what? PHP or on the server, right? I am using get method, that's why the data is also
Coming in the URL
coming in the URL. How I can prevent this?
by using post method.
So here it's your choice, you want to write get or not, right? You will not write, by default this will be get. Now I am trying to post the data through post method. So this is my form. I've changed my code through post data. I'm sending the data. But here I am reading the get now. What should now read? Get or post?
Post, sir.
Post.
So predefined variable is post if I am sending data through post. So now if I write something jr@gmail.com, you see no data appended in the URL and now also data sent to the server in this PHP
Yes,
code.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the way you can send data from an HTML file to the PHP file or from form to. So what generally happens when someone is doing registration? Here you will get the data, then you get one by one, like name equal to full name, something, everything, email equal to, right? This way I have to also change this to post because I'm sending data through post. Where is the problem? Okay, this is not a line. Post username. Oh, my bad. I have to write dollar na.
Yes, sir. $.
So are able to see data sent from the form. Now I am able to get in a variable, right? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
So this is a get and post. There is another method also that is predefined variable, which is request. So if you see the list, there was a request also here. So for the, if you don't worry about is data coming from get or post, you can just write request. So this will accept any type of data, either it's get or
Post.
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 So this will work for both get and post. Working? We are able to send data, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the
Yes,
action, okay, great. So in the action, we are typing the different page, na? There is chances that I take this code, paste here, and I do not want to, I want to be the same page, action equal to blank, right? And here on the same page, I can write if is set, whatever they want to write, $_ request. What will happen now? I don't want to use this HTML file. So I can also do like this. On the same page, I write the HTML, and on the same page, if I'm not giving any action, it's blank, it will try to submit the data on the same page. if trying to submit the data on the same page, it means my code will be also on the same page, PHP code. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen here now?
Yes, sir.
Now I am now using contact us. Contact us.php. My form is visible. This is giving undefined because I'm trying to use, but these are not defined yet now. So that's why it's giving some warning. Right? Now suppose I'm giving here j@gmail.com. See what happened. What happened, guys?
The value came in the same page, sir.
So I can access now. I can submit the data on the same page and I can access also. So one way is you put some action URL, submit data, and data will go into that URL page. Or
Yes.
or
Yes,
you can
sir.
or you can submit the data on the same page, and you can process. Here I've got the data, whatever data you've sent, you have written. I've submitted the form. Now I got here in the form of variable. I have access of this, right? Now I can insert this in the database by making a connection with the database. This is how we interact with the form, different methods, and sending data to the database. So are you getting some clarity how data is going to the server while submitting the form? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you're clear
Yes,
about.
sir.
Okay, great. So I hope you're clear about get, post, request, server, environment, form, action, method. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me know if you have any confusion at this point. Because on Tuesday, when you work with for the use case, you'll get 2.5 hours. We have to create something like create a form, submit the data to the server, use some functions to process the data. How to use the functions or the classes I'll tell you tomorrow. But this is the starting point of creating a small applications. Right? All right, guys. Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think you keep waiting. Someone should respond, and I should keep quiet. Huh? Tell me your experience. Any question? Any what you understood? So could you do a fast task? Just create a small form in HTML and submit using get and post and print the data. Right? Create a small form, create some fields, username, password or something, username, email, Try to submit through different method, get and post, and print the data in the PHP. All right, guys.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
we have 5 minutes. Please do.